Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 1994 Harley-Davidson Heritage Softail Nostalgia. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 1994 Harley-Davidson Heritage Softail Nostalgia, with 40,282 miles, passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It's been upgraded with Vance & Hines exhaust, an open stage 1 intake, Screaming Eagle spark plug wires, mirrors, Harley-Davidson grips, chrome reservoir covers, chrome switch housings, braided lines and cables, aftermarket front turn signals, smoked rear turn signals, a plate bracket, smoke fender lamps, rider floorboards, chrome floorboard covers, a primary cover, timing cover, front and rear axle covers, frame-mounted toolbox, shifter pegs, and a fuel cap. We have installed a new front tire. Powered by an 81 cubic inch V-twin engine, the Heritage puts 47 horsepower and 71 foot-pounds of torque through a 5-speed transmission. With a 5.2-gallon fuel capacity, the Heritage has a 150 to 180 mile range. It has a 26.4-inch seat height and a 794-pound wet weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, installed a new front tire, and the rear is at 330 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. Our technician noted an oil leak from the rocker box and primary gaskets. The toolbox will not lock. The choke cable works but is worn and won't stay out by itself. We've posted the service repair order for this bike, so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's a crack on the front fender trim, and a crack on the rear fender trim. This bike has one key, a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike is being sold wholesale as is. It received a safety inspection, documentation about its condition, and a detail. It is being sold without a warranty. For additional program details, please review the full program and warranty section in the listing. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.